Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna ask you a question. Is it possible to make 10,000 using Fibonacci retracement combined with zigzag? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips to help you understand this particular strategy. Let's get it. I'm gonna be selecting zigzag. No need to change the period of the zigzag. I'm going to search for an opportunity, then I'm going to show you guys the Fibonacci retracement. I'm taking two trades right there, guys. As you see, the price technically it didn't close inside, but it closed close enough, and this is a beautiful American candle, guys, as you can see, and we are at the right area, the golden zone. Let me show you real quick. Let me get the drawing tool. Yeah, so basically this is the golden zone, guys. Right, the 0.618. all right, this is the golden zone. There was a nice American candle for confirmation. Remember, we need confirmation. We're not going to just enter as the price reaches the zone right here. Wait for confirmation, because I'm expecting no price to go down, because we got confirmed that this area is valid. Okay, and this is how you ensure that this zone is valid, because not every time the price reaches this zone it will come down. Understand? So therefore we need confirmation, which is a bullish engulfing candle. It can be an American candle. We need one of those before we take the trade. Now I see that there was one formed and I took the trade. Now we're going to watch the trade live to see how the result is. All right, let's look at it. Okay, so the price is dropping massively. This is nice, and this is all trading is, guys. All right, and this is why I emphasize so much about candlestick psychology, because you need to understand it to know that the price will continue, or if the price will reverse, or if the price will stay in one area. I saw this movement and I know this is a continuation sign, so the price won't come up back to my level. All right, because I could understand what's going on. All right, and this is the power of leveraging candlestick psychology with indicators. Let's find another opportunity. Okay, I'm taking this for 4,000 right here. I'm a bit late, but it's okay. As you guys can see right here, the price came to the 0.618 zone, and there was a momentum coming down, and we know that momentum signifies strong movement. You see that momentum with indicators, guys, is phenomenal, trust me. All right, you see how this candle is moving aggressive, and there is a supply zone right here, so I'm expecting the price to come to this area before even reversing. And this is the power of candlestick psychology. I know the price likes to bounce between supply and demand. All right, I use everything when I'm trading, guys. All the knowledge, I use all of it. All right, don't think I'm just using one stuff. I'm doing a lot of analysis when I'm trading. Now let me show you guys the zone where the price is reversing from. Let me mark it so everyone can see the details. Now if you pay attention closely here, you'll see that the price came to this zone right here. All right, it's right here. Then there was a fake breakout, and the price comes back and close inside of the area of this 0.618 right here. Price closed back inside it, and there was a momentum going down. This is the momentum right here, and I took my trade right here. So what I'm saying, and this is the beauty of knowing how to use candlestick psychology with any indicator. Once you master candlestick psychology, you can basically use any indicator possible, because you also understand the price movement. Oh guys, that trade was a winning trade while I was explaining. Damn, I didn't realize, but you see that, guys, the price is dropping massively when the price reaches the 0.618 zone. If you were in forex and you're on the 4 hour time frame, you could use this strategy the same, and this would be many pips right here. The price still didn't even reach the demand area. The price still didn't reach it. I'm going to show you guys the process of sitting and waiting for trade. Now I'm waiting now to see what this candle here is going to do. If this candle gives me a red candle and it closes inside here, then I will continue going with buyers, with sellers, my bad. If it continues to go higher, then I'm not going to go with the sellers. And this is why we need confirmation from the candles in order to take the trade confidently. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen, if I'm gonna get the opportunity or not. No, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna take this trade because it didn't close inside the area, and this is how I trade, guys. I follow my rules and I don't break them, because I'm not gonna risk money on any risky trade. Let me show you. Let me show you with the drawing while I'm talking, because it's much more. Hold on, guys. I need to take this trade. It's closing. Hold on. Right, we have 3 seconds. 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. I'm taking many on this one. This is so beautiful, guys. You see, this is a breakaway gap, and then the price coming from the area of the 0.618. That is so nice, guys. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen for this opportunity. I like to show transparency, so I'm going to mark again and repeat the process of identifying the proper zone. Right here was the 0.618. The price break out of it, but then it reverses and close inside of it right here. See that? Price closing the zone right here with this candle, and I entered on this candle, and I'm expecting price to go further down to at least this area. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Let's see what's gonna happen. The price is dropping massively, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. That's another breakaway gap and another breakaway gap. So yeah, this is for sure it's going to at least come to this area right here before bouncing up. Alright, and there's a momentum also right here, so this tells me the price is strong. But I'm expecting this breakaway gap to continue, because we know, you see, there's one breakaway gap, two breakaway gap, and what happened? There was a red candle, breakaway gap, red candle. You see that? No, there was a breakaway gap on the green candle. There is no 100%. You notice two breakaway gaps, one lose. This is how the game of trading works. Every strategy has a losing trade, and what you need is just a strategy which have more wins than loss. That's it. Just more wins than loss. And yes, this trade is going to be a successful trade. Beautiful. Nice. This trade is a winning trade, guys. And this will be the end of my session here. You can use the link in description to join the Telegram. In the Telegram, there is a free course for everyone. Click the link in the description to join the free course. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.